and sailed back over a year, and in and out of weeks, and through a day, and into the night of his very own room, where he found his supper waiting for him. Oh look, there's still some food there.
Mummy.
Yeah, you think his mummy put it there? And it was still hot. Exactly right.
Wow.
What's that?
That's the right response.
What's that?
Nice house.
It's a house, yeah. And what are these? They
Tree.
trees.
What's that flying through
Who's
the
that?
sky?
Taffy. Taffy.
Santa and the reindeer. What does Santa say?
Ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, bless
Wow.
you. And B, what are the white things called?
Oh, yeah, what are these?
Pink.
Snow.
Pink.
Oh.
Yeah! Well done,
And then can you see the
darling.
snowman?
Human.
Snowman, there's a few of them, aren't there?
Oh, this is your winter scene to play with, my darling.
Where do you want to put the snowman? Here. Yeah. Do you want me to put it here? And where should we put the houses? Where should we put this one?
Here.
Here. Okay. Oh, what about Santa? Santa's got to fly over the top. Should we fly Santa over?
Mummy.
There we go. You want Mummy?
Do you want me to put him up? We'll put him there. I'll change him in a minute.
Mummy, come and have a look.
I love the reindeer, don't you, Bee? Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! And there we go, guys. A night well spent, my darling.
A fuzzy felt Christmas. Thank you. Do you like that house? Have you seen the little window up there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow. Maybe we can put this house down here instead.
Oh.
Oh.
I see.
I see. Thank you, darling. Well, where do you want to put it?
Oh, Mummy.
Okay, sweetheart, I'll come play. Alright guys, you join me back in the kitchen because we are going to have pancakes. We thought we need to cheer ourselves up, get a bit festive, and I'm going to start making the batter, and then I'm going to get Bee involved as much as possible. But we're just hungry and we've got bacon, and we thought pancakes would be perfect. So yeah, let's see how we get on. This is how I make pancakes.
What did you just say?
Pancakes.
Oh, we're having pancakes!
Yes, that's what it's
Do you want to have a little whisk? You've got to be quite careful because it's
Shall I take this
there's
out?
a lot of ingredients in there.
You've got to be careful.
But have a
Hold
little
with Mummy.
whisk, Bee.
You're going to hold? And should we
Hold
mix
and
it?
just mix.
Do you want
Don't
Daddy to
worry.
do some mixing? Look.
Let go, Daddy.
Whisk, 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 whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Would you like to have a go?
Yeah.
No?
Don't worry, we'll just eat them instead.
We're gonna. What are we making, Bee? Yeah, we're making pancakes. don't know how she knows that.
Oh, well, I've been talking to her about it, and Miffy likes pancakes. It's her favourite food.
Does Miffy like pancakes?
Yeah, it's her...
Yeah.
Ah. Does Miffy whisk it like this? Does she spin it around like that? I don't know if Dad's doing a very good job.
Don't worry, you're stirring and that's fine. That's all that matters. I have no idea what I'm doing. I put on an apron to feel a little bit more profesh.
What's this?
Ah,
He's a
look!
pancake.
Look how good Daddy is at making pancakes! Yum, yum, yum! Thank you, Daddy. We can't wait to eat them, can we, Bee? Whoa! Did you see that? Alright, pancakes a go. She's never had pancakes before. This is very exciting. Right, I'm going to carry on eating before they get cold.
What day is it today? So, 15. Good. Okay, you ready? Do you want to say that with you? So we're looking for that door. Can you find that door? 15.
15.
I love the way she shouts into them. It's really cute.
Your sleeves are super long. Is that 15?
Close.
What about some of these ones? Is that 15?
15.
Ah, let's try opening that one. Is that one? No? No, maybe the next one.
No.
Maybe the next one. What number is that? 50? Oh!
Oh!
Is that it? Do you want Daddy to read it for you?
Read.
Read. Okay. You listening? Now remember, when I'm reading it to you, listen to the whole clue before you run off. Right, so here we go. Does your playhouse need anything more? Well, how about a set of drawers? Where are the sets of drawers to be seen? Why, they're just above Santa in your Christmas scene.
Oh!
Where's your new Christmas scene with all the snowmen and Santa? Where's your Christmas scene with the snowmen and Santa? They're just above Santa. Right, Christmas scene, come on, let's go. Oh! Where's Santa? Where's Santa? There's Santa. Now look up. Look up. And what have you see above Santa? A hat. You're right,
That's
that is a hat.
amazing.
I'm not going to argue with that. Oh, oh dear.
Oh dear.
Oh, look, where's Santa going?
Ooh.
What are they?
What day?
Are they drawers?
Oh!
They're little drawers for the animals in the playhouse.
They can put their clothes and belongings in them.
Should we go and put them in?
Come on!
Do you want me to lift the playhouse down? Where would you like to put them? There, you put them in the bag.
The playhouse is becoming like our flat. There's a lot of stuff.
Full of stuff. And then should we put that one next to the oven in the kitchen?
Oh, you can put all the kitchen stuff in it.
And the bear's
Yay! Day... What is it again? Where are we at now? 15?
on the table. That is day 15.
Yay! Enjoy, my darling.
Would you like some lights in there? There's a seagull with your kite. It soared past a bird who gave it a smile. The kite kept on soaring straight up for a mile. What's next? You look in the mirror.
Fortnite.
Oh, what's that? Have a look on the wall. What is it?
Boom.
A balloon, yes. Look, it reached a balloon with people on board. They waved at my kite as way up it soared. It flew so high. What happens next, Bee? Oh!
Oh!
Chop, 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 chop.
Hi everyone! Okay, so yeah, the last time you saw us, we were doing pancakes, and then after that I really felt very ill. I've had a bit of a stomach bug, I think, is what's going on. So it's now a day later, and I finally feel better, and I have for a couple of hours now. But yeah, that's what was going on yesterday, so I kind of had to end Vlogmas, stop filming. Yeah, we're catching up, and hope you're all well, and I'll see you for the next Vlogmas.